This penny stock is getting an average analyst price target of $4, $17, and $30, but we got to find out why. You can see even an article put out by Yahoo Finance states that BNZI International stock forecast and price target is $30 a share. Now, we talked about this stock back on January 22nd. Back on this date, January 22nd, the video was titled, "Will Shorts Exit This Penny Stock Because of Their Huge Announcements?" And the answer is yes. Shorts actually did end up exiting positions, now with the free float down to 1.87% short interest. If we take a look at the date that I uploaded this video, January 22nd, at minimum, even if you bought on the top of the wick on that date, you would have gotten a 56% price increase on your investment. Now, if you bought from the top of the body, let's say 63%, so on and so on and so on, you get the point up to 82%. And even if you bought the very top wick of the candle and are holding until now, you're only down about 12% on this penny stock. A lot of times these penny stocks are extremely volatile, but let's get to the meat and potatoes. Why did shorts exit their position? Why am I covering the stock once again? Clearly something must be important. Well, BNZI International to acquire Act-On Software for merger consideration of $53.2 million. So what does this mean? Well, the last time we talked about BNZI, they made several new acquisitions. On top of that, if you come and you take a look at their earnings, you can see, hopefully my head's not blocking it, they had a massive surprise on the recent earnings for November 14th, 2024, which is a continual increase prior to the past. And that's why you saw a lot of volume come in and shorts get out of their positions, because the stock is due for a turnaround. So we've seen their net revenue at a record high for this penny stock. We saw their almost $20 million acquisition of OpenReel, expected to increase their revenue by 152% to almost 11 million. They also undertaken cost-cutting measures, which we've seen, including a 27% staff reduction and debt restructuring, aiming for an almost 14 million net income boost. On top of that, their net cash position is at an all-time high, worth about $4.2 million. We included their product lineup, which is Demio, an AI-powered webinar platform, and Curate, which is an AI-driven newsletter automation tool using OpenAI's GPT 4.0, with the digital marketing industry projected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2030. They are positioning themselves for long-term growth, and that's why the stock is back on your radar. So what about this brand new acquisition? Well, we actually had a couple of things happen. First of all, January 23rd, the day after I uploaded the video, BNZI completed their acquisition of Vidello, a London-based video hosting and marketing suite provider. The strategic move is expected to increase BNZI's trailing 12-month revenue by 59%, adding $6.5 million and contributing $2 million in EBITDA. Vidello's suite of products includes Create Studio, Photo Vibrance, Twinkle, and their flagship video hosting platform, serving over 90,000 customers. On top of that, we now have this brand new Act-On Software agreement consideration for $53.2 million, which is the meat and potatoes of this video. Here's some takeaways from the deal. The acquisition is expected to increase their revenue by $27 million on a pro forma basis for the year ending December 31st, 2025. This aligns with their aggressive expansion strategy. On top of that, Act-On's AI-powered automation tools used by major companies like Hitachi, Best Buy, Progressive Insurance will allow BNZI to offer more comprehensive marketing solutions. The merger consideration consists of $33.2 million in BNZI stock or pre-funded warrants and $20 million in cash, totaling an enterprise value of $53.2 million. They're expected to finalize by February 2025, pending customary approval. This move signals BNZI's commitment to scaling its SaaS business, competing with larger marketing automation players like HubSpot and Marketo. Now, if integration goes well, it could significantly enhance their market position and financials, which we already assume short sellers are predicting something like that to happen. So why is this brought up on your radar right now? Well, it's because BNZI International, once they close this deal, just like January 22nd when they closed that other deal shortly after, we saw a massive rally in the stock. Now I'm going to give you some levels for the stock to watch. We are currently trading at $1.51, which is extremely cheap for this stock. First level, 153, 160, 170, 185. These are the minimal resistance levels that the stock has to get above. Once we crack back above $2.24 and we hold above that, that would be extremely extremely crucial for the company going forward. Now, we have major price targets over the year of 2025 from big analysts, but we will give you our price targets. First of all, after 225, you have 290, then 350, 380, 530. These are my ultimate price targets for the company. If things go really well over the first half of the year, $7 and $8 per share. And then those analysts are predicting upwards of $17 to $30, which the stock has traded up here before, so it's not anything crazy to look at. Technically, right? That would be a 1,035% gain and then almost a 2,000% gain. Again, the stock has traded higher than this before. Overall, guys, let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. The company is clearly continuing to expand their business model and strengthen their business model, not only for the year of 2025, but ultimately for long-term growth in the company. And this could be the consolidation period where the stock bottoms out. Again, you have to do your own due diligence. This is a sponsored stock. Thank you, Sideways Frequency, for sponsoring today's video. That is what I got for you guys on BNZI International. Let me know in the comments down below what you will be doing and if you bought any during that first video that I uploaded. I also want to state, to close out the video, that I did actually cover this on December 19th of 2024, which was at the same price it was at January 22nd. Okay, so when it comes back to this range, already twice now, almost 3 times, I'm here to warn you of potential upside. That is it, guys. I love you all. God bless. Lottery Stocks out.